Welcome to this short installation video brought to you by the friendly folks at Pfister. Here, we will demonstrate how to replace your hot and cold valve bodies on your widespread bathroom faucet. To begin, shut off the water supply to your faucet. Remove the on-off handles by turning the base counterclockwise until it can be removed. If your handles have set screws, loosen them with a 3/32 Allen wrench and remove the handles. Be careful not to lose the set screws. Go below the sink and locate the small metal clip at the bottom of the hot or cold valve and remove it. You may need to apply some force to get it free. Once the metal clip is removed, pull down the supply line from the bottom of the valve body. Locate the winged piece at the end of the valve body and use your index and middle finger to pull down on the wings to remove the hose assembly. Next, remove the hose assembly from the spout body. This is done by pressing up on the center connector with your palm and using your index and middle finger to press and hold down on the collar and pull down. This will allow you more room to work. Unscrew the hose adapters. You will later replace them with the new adapters supplied in the kit. Loosen and remove the nut and square washer that hold the valve body in place. Remove the valve body by pulling it straight out from above the sink. Clean up any residue from the countertop to ensure a proper seal of the new valve body. Insert the new valve body. Go below the sink and reinstall the square washer and nut to the end of the valve body. Connect the hose assembly to the spout body. Gently tug on the hose assembly to ensure it's locked in. Reconnect the hose assembly to the valve body. Locate the arrow on the outside of the winged part and ensure it is pointing up. Place it onto the valve body and push up until you hear it firmly lock into place. Now attach the new hose adapters from the kit to the ends of the supply lines and tighten them with a wrench. Reconnect the supply line by firmly pushing it onto the end of the valve body. Reinsert the metal clip into the valve body. Make sure it locks into place. If you're having trouble inserting the clip, you may need to push the supply line further onto the valve body to give clearance. Take a minute to ensure all parts are assembled properly and tightened. If all looks good, turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Reinstall the on-off handles. Ensure they are oriented in the off position before tightening them. Test your faucet to ensure all components are working properly. Great job! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website at pfister.com or give us a call at 1-800-FAUCET.